Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Owen Morrill, and today we're going to be going over Drupal 7's menu system. Now, hold on to your hats because this is the most exciting video you're going to see on YouTube. No, that's not right. Alright, so we're going to go up to Structure, and this is a vanilla installation of Drupal 7. So this is what you get right out of the box. We're going to go down here to Menus. And we're going to see that we have a few already built out. So we have the main menu, which by default, that's like the one that everybody sees. It's what's got home on it. And, we have management, we have navigation, and we have the user menu. Now, what you may not be familiar with is this little button right up here called Settings. I'm going to click on that. We're going to check it out. And you can see that you can set menus for your main links and secondary links. Now, if you've ever wondered how your theme decides what is the main menu and what's the secondary menu and templates and stuff like that, this is where you can set it. So right now we have the main menu set up for main links and the user menu for secondary links. So we're going to go back to list menus. We're going to go to the main menu and we're going to list links. It should just be home, and there's home right there. We're going to edit that. And as you can see, we have our little front shortcode. That's kind of a shortcode. That is code for link to the front page. So you can change the front page to be whatever you want based on the configuration of the site. But if you use this front, it will always send them to the front page. You can add a description. You can change the menu title. You can set it to enabled or disabled. So let's say you have something that's seasonal or something that you're only going to have on for a short time. You can build it all up beforehand as disabled, and then when you're ready to go live, you can come in here and click that, make it enabled, and it'll show up, and voila, you'll be all ready. You don't have to do it all live. Shows expanded if it has menu children, which means items underneath it, and you have a drop down, whatever. That goes just into more of the layout and how your front end works. Parent link, you can see from earlier, we have our main menu, our management. Down here we'll have the user menu and navigation. We're going to leave it in main menu. The weight, if you do negative, the weight's less. It floats up to the top or to the left. And the more weight that it has, it sinks to the bottom or to the right. We're going to set it to -1 because we want a home page to always be on the far left. And then we're going to add a link. So this one we're just going to say YouTube channel. And we're going to say, we're going to use a protocol or a protocol relative URL, and that's just // youtube.com/ I don't think my channel has a channel name yet, so we'll just leave it at Owen Morrill. Maybe someday we'll have that. We're going to leave it as enabled. We're not going to click shows expanded. We're going to change the weight to 1, so it should be to the right or underneath home. So sure enough, there it is. If I click out of the overlay, and there's our YouTube channel, and it takes me to this broken link because that's not my actual channel. So let's say we do our little thing. We have that. All right, now we're done. We want to go to structure and disable it. So we go to our menus and we go to the main menu and list the links. And we click on that, save it. So we just disabled it. It says our configuration was saved. We click out of that, it reloads, and our item is gone. Isn't that handy? We still have the menu link. It's there. It's just disabled so nobody can see it. Perfect. However, there are more things that we can do with menus in Drupal 7. So we're going to go to menus. We're going to edit the menu for main menu. And this is more for our information. It's not really for people who are going to the site, visiting it. It's for the people who have to log in every day and work on it, do that stuff. Since it's a core menu that's provided, can't change that, but we can change this description if it helps to let other people know, like, hey, this is the menu that we need to add all our things to, not the other menus. We don't like the other menus. We can click save, and now in our little list doodad of menus, we can go back. We have our little breadcrumb structure here, and now, hey, this is the menu. There we go. Now let's say that we like the main menu, but we have a whole other section of the site that we need to build out, and we need a menu for that section of the site. Go to add menu, and we can, doesn't this look familiar? We're going to call it YouTube channels. No description needed. We're going to save it, and now it should let us, I think, add links to it. Yep, so add link, add link. Now the fun part about this is, let's say we don't want the core menu thing, right? We can go to settings, and this drop down now contains our YouTube channels menu. So we hit that and we save it. And when we go to the home page, we aren't going to have any links because our menu doesn't have any links, which means that it is definitely using our new menu. Isn't that handy? So when we go back to structure, back to menus, and we go to our YouTube channels menu to add some links, and we just say, let's say, we'll call it Owen Moral, and the path is going to be yeah, in case you want to do any donations, that's a good link to go to. So we're going to click save, and we're going to hit close out of that, and now we have our little menu item right there. Isn't that handy? You can do the same thing with the user menu up here. There's a module called menu blocks. You can use that to put your menus that you create in blocks, and you can use the block system, place them wherever you want on the template in the menu. Lots and lots of stuff you can do. As you can see, it's simple once you know how to get around it. It may not be quite as intuitive to someone who's maybe used to WordPress or Squarespace or something like that. They all do their things a little bit differently, and once you get used to it, it's not too bad. So that is all we have for Drupal 7 menu use. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will get back to you. We'll make a video for you if we can, or we'll just commiserate on whatever that problem is. Either way, thank you for watching. Feel free to like it, subscribe, let other people know. We're going to keep trying to make these videos as many as we can to be as helpful as we can. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Have a good one.